Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying Android version and whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data. This matters because settings and network behavior differ. Next, open Settings, go to Network, then Private DNS, and note the host name or if it's set to automatic. Once done, switch briefly to a known working network or enable mobile data to isolate the problem. Make sure you have an alternative DNS hostname or a router login available, so you can test changes immediately. Now perform the actual tests. Change private DNS to off or automatic, then check connectivity. This tells you if the private hostname is the issue. If it fails, manually enter a known good private DNS hostname exactly, because typos cause failures. Once entered, save and test browsing. If results are inconsistent, toggle airplane mode or reboot to force a DNS refresh and retry. Make sure to test both Wi-Fi and mobile to see if the problem is network-specific. To finish, confirm that the private DNS server's TLS certificate and hostname match the one you entered. Mismatches will be rejected. If you suspect server-side problems, switch to a public DNS temporarily to confirm that Android resolves domains normally. Once confirmed, collect logs or screenshots, revert to a stable DNS to restore service, and contact the DNS administrator with certificate details and timestamps. If it still won't connect. One key troubleshooting tip: try a factory network, reset only after saving important settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.